Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create greeting cards on the CEWE application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and you can find different products. If you want to create greeting cards, click to that option. You can select different options: the stationery cards, square stationery, classic, square, panoramic or long fold cards. Select one. You can select thank you, wedding, baby, birthday or other option. Click to the continue button, select first of all select a style, click the continue button. You can select a photo, if that's okay. You can check the style, you can edit, and if you okay with this creation, you can order if you click to the cart option at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.